Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. Welcome to this micro tutorial demonstration using the LSP Bush Medley Floral Overlays, the Botanical Overlays available at LSP Actions. These are designed to look like they're for outdoor, but you can use some of these on indoor images and studio shots. Beautiful photo here by Brandt. I'm just going to show you what you can do creatively in a studio shot with these. So make sure you have unzipped and extracted the files so you can access them on your computer and you have the actions installed if you wish to use them. If not, you can apply by hand. If you're unsure, you can watch tutorial number 1 on the LSP Actions website that shows you how to get started. So I'm going to add one of the wisteria toppers to this beautiful image. It's going to look like it's hanging down in front. I'm going to right click, flick horizontal for this one. Just flips it the other way, just so we can curve it around our subject. I'm just stretching this out on an unlocked transform there. Really, really pretty. And I'm just going to tone this up by hitting tone pinker and bring that opacity up, just as matching her dress a little bit more. Really, really beautiful. Let's add another one, another wisteria. So you can probably hear my children in the background, they're playing right now. How about wisteria topper 2? And what I'm going to do for this one, I want to angle it a little bit. So I'm just going to stretch this out because I'm going to have this kind of blurred, angling around our subject a little more. So I'm going to hit blur paint and I'm just going to bring the blur right up. You can see it's adding a little bit of foreground, and again I'm going to tone this pinker to match the image. Let's add one more so we have some blurring around the front as well. Let's add, how about number 4? So I'm just going to bring this in, wisteria 4 in the Bush Medleys. There we go, and blur paint, just bringing that up a little bit so we've got that real foreground blur in there. And again, make it pinker. Really, really pretty. And on these you have a black brush selected. You can just paint away any areas you don't want them to show by clicking on the layer mask that's clicked into the specific layer that you've added in. Beautiful. So we see there before and after. You have finishing gentle finishes as well. You could try something completely different, like even though these, for example, warm summer is designed for outdoors, you can also use this on your studio and try it out. It's going to add a really beautiful haze to your image. But with a black brush, I'm just going to take that off our subject a little bit there. Huge black brush, shrink that back down, otherwise I know it takes over the video screen. There we have before and after. That's adding the wisteria from the LSP Bush Medleys, part of the Botanical Floral Overlays available on the LSP Actions website. 2-minute tutorial, so easy to add these in. So I hope you love them as much as I loved creating them, and I can't wait to see what you do with these. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.